I recently got my hands on the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus, and I'm excited to share this one because it is different from the usual iPhone design we've been seeing from Tecno. It is a slim and sleek phone with a unique round camera module and a curved AMOLED display with an in-display fingerprint sensor, 256GB of storage space, 8GB of RAM, and a 108 megapixel triple camera setup. There are so many things that make the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus an exciting device. Unfortunately, it is not a 5G device, and there are some other things that you would want to take note of before making a final purchase decision. Let's get right into it. The box of the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus reminds me of our defeat in the AFCON final match against Ivory Coast. Inside, I found the phone itself, an MTN promo card, a 33 watts charging brick, a USB-C to A charging cable, a pair of USB-C earphones, so no headphone jack here. It also has an AFCON branded case, a SIM remover tool, a 12-month warranty card, and a free curved screen protector with some accessories for installing it. It is basically everything you need to get started right away, plus you don't have to struggle finding a fitting curved glass to protect your screen. Now, the first thing that struck me was the phone's sleek design. It has a curved screen that feels luxurious in hand and makes it stand out from the competition in this price range. And by the way, this is just $180. I was quite skeptical about what compromises were made to keep the price this low because the spec sheet looked very impressive, but I couldn't find anything that particularly stood out as the catch. The back panel, white plastic, feels sturdy and has a unique matte, colorful, shimmering finish. It is definitely a head turner. This is the Lunar Frost color, but it comes in 3 other colors, including a green vegan leather back variant that they call Magic Skin. The round camera module sitting on the glossy marble-like bar makes the back design unique. I think the phone looks better without the protective case, but that would mean a lot of risks because it is a slim and slippery phone. Over to its physical properties and features. It has loudspeakers on the top and bottom edges, making for a stereo sound setup. There are also 2 microphones here. Okay, so I want to do a very quick loudspeaker test between the Spark 20 Pro Plus and the iPhone 14 Pro. I just want you to have an idea of how loud it is compared to an already established loudspeaker phone. So as you heard, the speaker is actually very loud compared to my iPhone 14 Pro, but lacks the bass and punch of the iPhone. Most of the sound comes from the down-firing speaker, and you will quickly notice this if you block the down-firing speaker. Overall, it is a fine sound setup. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing the microphone of the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing 1, 2. So do let me know what you think about the microphone quality in the comment section below. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Let us know. Alright, back to the physical features of the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus. The bottom edge also holds the SIM tray that takes 2 nano SIM cards and the USB-C port for charging and data transfer. And on the right side, we have the volume and power buttons. The 6.7-inch Full HD AMOLED display is simply stunning. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, bezels are tight, and the 120Hz refresh rate makes everything, including gaming, feel smooth and responsive. So whether you are watching videos, playing games, or scrolling through social media, the display delivers a fantastic experience. There are several color styles to choose from in the display settings, and I found the original color style to be the sweet spot. However, I am not a fan of the curved screen. Sometimes my fingers accidentally touch the curved or the edge of the screen, which can be frustrating. It might be weird that I personally do not like curved displays. I prefer flat displays because they are easier to handle and it is a lot simpler to find screen protectors for them. Tecno decided to go with an in-display fingerprint sensor on this one, and it is pretty fast. For battery and charging, the Spark 20 Pro Plus comes with a 5000 mAh battery, and 5000 mAh is pretty standard for phones these days, and it managed to last me a full day and a half of moderate usage without any issues. Plus, the included 33 watts fast charger is a lifesaver. It took me around an hour and a half to go from 0 to full, which is quite impressive. Something else that can be very impressive is subscribing to the channel if you are not already subscribed. That would really mean a lot to me. Powering the Spark 20 Pro Plus is the MediaTek Helio G99 processor paired with 8 gigs of RAM and 16 GB of total RAM. And by that I mean 8 gigs of original RAM and 8 gigs of virtual RAM that Tecno calls main fusion. This pair handled everyday tasks like browsing the web, using social media, and even watching videos smoothly. I was able to play Call of Duty Mobile smoothly at medium graphic quality and high frame rate setting. Asphalt 9 also was smooth at high visual quality. However, don't expect it to be a gaming powerhouse. For basic gaming, it performs very well and maintains its cool. But if you are an extreme gamer, you might want to look elsewhere. For file storage, the 256GB memory space is more than enough space, but I would have appreciated an extra slot for a memory card. The main camera boasts a whopping 108MP sensor, which sounds impressive on paper. In daylight, the pictures turned out decent with good detail and color reproduction. However, low light performance wasn't so great, with images appearing blurry and lacking detail. The 32MP selfie camera is also decent, but again, not the best in low light conditions. The Spark 20 Pro Plus can shoot videos at 2K video resolution and 30 frames per second, and I found the focusing to be really swift and fast. Thanks to electronic image stabilization, the videos I got out of this phone are smooth. Interestingly, Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus runs on Android 14, which is a good thing. However, it comes garnished with Tecno's iOS with some pre-installed bloatware apps that you might want to uninstall. Overall, it's essentially the same experience and features we see on other Tecno devices. It has this feature called Dynamic Port that mimics the dynamic island on iPhones, and it becomes visible when you plug in your charger or have an incoming call, or you have a low battery, and so on. You also get features like NFC, the new quick share, screencast, peak proof, theft alert, and so many other customization features and options. At about $180, the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus obviously falls in the budget-friendly category. Considering the design, display, battery life, and overall performance, it offers good value for money, especially for users who prioritize design and display quality. But if you are a heavy gamer or a camera enthusiast, or you need a 5G device, there might be better options around. You notice I avoided giving the price in naira, and that is because of the volatility of the exchange rate recently. It was about 280,000 naira sometimes last week, but right now it is over 300,000 naira, and that is crazy. We don't even know what this will cost next week. So I would advise that if you want to get a phone, you get it right now. So that was the Tecno Spark 20 Pro Plus. Like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Also check out these videos on your screen right here. I'll see you when I see you in the next one. Bye.